Welcome back, class. This video will discuss today's entrance ticket questions and answers, so please pay close attention and pause the video as needed so you can write down the answers for today's questions. So the first question is, what is shape? We all know what a shape is, such as a square, a triangle, or a circle, but the actual definition that I need you to write down for today's entrance ticket is that a shape is a two-dimensional outline of an object. So it's not just the basic geometrical shapes that we've learned in elementary school. It's any shape, any closed outline of something. So even if you've ever done that project in school where you laid down on a piece of paper and someone traced the whole outline, kind of like your silhouette or your shadow, that is a shape. That's the shape of a person, but it's still a shape. And the reason why shape is important in this project, and why shape is important in every art project you'll ever make, is that you can use basic shapes, any shape that you can think of, any closed 2D outline of something, to help build the proportions of an object, to make sure everything's the right size, and also to make sure everything fits in the paper. It's a very quick and easy way to draw, something you should do in the beginning to make sure that everything has an exact placement and size before you start adding any detail. And we're going to be discussing that a little bit in the next slide and in the video that follows this one. All right, so shape is a 2D outline of an object. Please write that for your definition for today. And your second word, or your second question, is, what is proportion? And proportion is the relationship between two parts in the whole. Proportion is a word that everyone naturally understands. If I were to draw a stick figure where the head was way too big, I always have students say, I always ask them, what's not in proportion? Everybody says the head. And the reason for that is because you're comparing the size of the head to the rest of the body. You are comparing two parts to the whole. So basically, proportion in art, you want to make sure everything is the right size for the object, that one thing is not too big or too small for that one object. And using basic shapes from the slide before this will help you determine the proportions, to determine the proper sizes before any actual detail is drawn. Now I'm going to elaborate more on this in the next video. For now, this is going to conclude this video. Please just make sure that you put in both definitions for your entrance ticket and you submit that. Submit that for your 2 points, and then once you're done that, please click on the how to begin a still life drawing video, where I am going to demonstrate how to begin your final project today and how to create that framework moving forward. All right, I look forward to talking to you all soon and starting this project with you all, and I will see you in a moment. All right, bye guys.